Hello everybody, my name is Cameron Brown and a warm welcome to the How to Cameron channel. Today I wanted to react to some videos that are made on the topic of nailing an interview to get into university. And the reason why I'm going to take a look at some of these videos is simply because a lot of these universities, they try so hard to make a good video and quite frankly, they're not very good at it. So I thought to myself, why not review some of these videos, have a bit of a laugh, and learn how to do an interview. Now, I've actually never been in a university interview. I've never been invited to one either. I think that just says a lot about the universities I'm applying to. I didn't apply to any of the Oxbridge unis, and honestly, I don't think there's many universities that actually require interviews. Only the universities that are really hard to get into. I say that though, the grades that I need to get into my first choice is extremely high still, so it's not like I've literally applied to flipping University of Depression or anything. But before this video starts, smash like if you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel if you're new today. Without further ado, let's take a look at one of these videos. This reaction video of mine is either going to be really good or really bad, and I have a feeling it's going to be really bad, I'm not going to lie. Anyway, let's watch this video. So this first video is titled Your University Interview Advice and Tips, made by Loughborough University. Your university interview, advice and tips. This is a very important thing.
For some students, the application
so you need
to higher
to pay
education
attention.
involves an additional stage, an interview. This will normally only affect those who are applying for very competitive and popular institutions, a vocational course that leads into a direct profession, or a course that requires a specific skill set, such as music or arts-based subjects. Or
prostitution. You need good social skills if you want to become a prostitute. Right, why did I say that? Flippin' egg! I'm crazy. Right, firstly, tie up your shoes. God bless. I want to have a quick rant, right? At my sixth form, the dress code is so stupid because for men, you can only wear, dress shoes, which is reasonable, I guess. They're smart. But women, they can wear whatever the flip they want.
If you know you have to attend an interview, it is important that you don't panic. Instead, spend some time planning for the day.
That's why I'm watching this video.
Review your application and research your chosen institution to ensure that everything runs as smoothly as possible.
Pretty much turn up to the interview and recite history of the area around the university. So for example, if I went to a Loughborough University interview, I would talk about Loughborough. Loughborough is a lovely place. I love Loughborough. They have nice trees. Loughborough is the Midland Main Line connects Loughborough with the United Kingdom. I've been to Loughborough train station many times. I like Loughborough. Like, that's what you need to say, guys. I like the purple chairs. God bless.
Your interview should be viewed as an extension of your UCAS form. It is an opportunity for you to expand on...
So that means you have to pay more towards it. God dang it. Flipping heck, why does UCAS cost money? I can't even flipping believe that. It was like 30 quid. You know what you can get for 30 quid? 10 meal deals. I sacrificed 10 meal deals just to go through UCAS. Oh! I don't want to be mean or anything, but...
Some students find that a strong...
Like, this guy does not look professional at all. You're applying to go to university. His top button's not even done up. Loughborough Uni. This is the worst case example ever.
Some students find that a strong performance at interview can lead to a reduced offer or act as a lifeline on results day should they not receive the initial grades that they were hoping for. Therefore, making sure that you represent yourself in the best possible way is key.
Why is it just an empty cup? Like, I know I'm not focusing on the point of the video, I get that. But there's literally just a cup with no water in. What's the point?
Before you attend the interview, there are several things that you can do to prepare. Firstly, establishing all of your travel arrangements. You might be familiar with the route to a campus, but locating the building and room that you will be in could take some time. Leave plenty of time for travelling, just in case of roadworks and delays on public transport. And make sure you have the contact details of the interview organiser in case you need to ring and advise them that you'll be late. It's also worth revising your personal statement and reminding yourself of its content. Some interviewers may base initial questions on this. So for example, if you've mentioned that you've completed the Duke of Edinburgh Award, they might ask you what additional skills you have gained from this activity.
I'm really desperate at this point.
The interviewer is likely to ask you about your further education choices, what you enjoy, and how they've helped you to develop as a student.
Why do they all look high?
They may also ask you why you've chosen to apply to this course and this particular institution. So researching the university in advance, having an understanding of the modules included in that particular programme, and knowing what attracts...
I want to go to university. This is me. I want to go into university so I can get a job, so I can provide and put food food on the table. That's how you get in. I'm not even flipping listening to the nice voiceover. God dang it.
Researching the university in advance, having an understanding of the modules included in that particular programme, and knowing what attracts you to them is a real benefit. If you are applying for a vocational course, such as teaching, nursing or physiotherapy, then a thorough and accurate understanding of what that job will entail will demonstrate both a commitment and a passion for it. During your interview, it's important that you try and relax and be yourself. Remember to smile and make eye contact with the others in the room.
Yeah, be yourself, smile and make constant eye contact. That's definitely how a lot of people are, normally.
And don't be afraid to take a few moments.
This guy's not even paying attention. Oh, he was. I'm sorry about that.
Interviewers will be looking for engaged students, so having some of your own questions relating to the course or the university is a really good way of showing this.
What happens if they're just questioning you on stuff and you just ask them a question? So if someone asks me, can you please explain how column chromatography works and what it can be used for? If I reverse the roles, can I be like, can you please tell me what an atom is? Like, will that show that I'm a dominant alpha male? It might. Okay, it might work. I'm just saying that might be some good advice. Up an egg.
Some students are asked to bring samples of their work to show, and others may still wish to, even if they're not asked to. In both cases, make sure this is clearly labelled with your name and, where appropriate, laid out in a clear manner to be looked through. If you have letters of recommendation or certificates that you would like to share, then you may choose to present these in a document wallet or folder.
And then buy some overpriced
coffee. Once your interview is over, the most important thing for you to do is relax and try not to
waste your money. That coffee was probably £2.50. Guys, I have a story for you. I went to Costa, literally, I think on Saturday, and I literally spent £2 on a coffee, and it was a big waste of money. But you get like a pot in which the milk's put in, so I took the pot just to balance out the equilibrium. Why did I say equilibrium? Pretty much, Costa, if you're watching this video, I'm sorry, but your products are overpriced or I stole from you. Right, anyway, let's watch a different video. That was an alright video, I'm not even going to lie. How to look good in Skype interviews.
You're going to be interviewed over Skype, and you want to look better than this. Well, here are 4 easy keys you can apply to look good in Skype interviews.
Wow. How to look good in Skype interviews.
Key 1, sound. Having good sound is just as important as having good video. An empty room like this might sound fine to you in normal conversation, but it creates an annoying echo for anyone listening on video, especially if the floor isn't carpeted.
You need to fit in a carpet into your room so you can go through the interview with good audio quality. Write that down.
Basically, the more stuff that's in the room to deflect the sound, the less echo. And make sure there's no loud noises in the background.
So you have to speak enough up in library.
Loud office conversations, construction, an air conditioner. These will make your interview painful.
Imagine if you're just doing an interview
Key 2,
next to a construction
location.
site.
Create
or like
a good
next to an
background.
airport.
This one is not good. It makes me look like a total slob. This one is too distracting. What's that guy doing back there? In this one, just make sure you don't have anything embarrassing in the background.
Guys, if you have a dildo collection behind you, just scoot that out of the way, okay?
Keep it neat and simple. A white wall is usually too plain, so I set up a bookshelf like this. You can also use a house plant, a lampshade,
what even is that?
etc. If you're at the office,
that's a massive
you can
tree.
set up a clean desk with a computer in the background. Now you're probably using a laptop with a built-in camera or a webcam like this. Notice how the camera is actually several inches below my eyes. So when you're looking through the camera, if you angle it at your face, it shows the ceiling. So you want to stack it up on a box.
I actually need to do this like with my videos. It should be up here. That would look better, I guess. I don't know. I don't really
Basically,
care about the quality
you want
of
the camera at eye level because this is the way people
don't need to be high quality to be funny.
And you want to be a little more than arm's length from the camera. So you're about this size in the frame. And you want your eyes to be about 2/3 of the way to the top. Wow, I think I found the worst interview setup ever.
Well, you could literally just be in the bath with the light off. Like, that would be worse. Just saying. Or you could just be taking a schmidt. Or you could be lying down in the bath with the camera like pointing at your ball side. Like, that's worse.
If it's nighttime and there's no window nearby, grab a lamp. Don't use overhead lighting like this. It makes you look terrible. And definitely don't light yourself from below, unless you're telling scary campfire stories.
That's just
what
better
you want
for me.
is a lamp in front of you, like this one, with the light slightly above the height of your eyes while you're sitting down. Of course, this one is great because
I feel like this guy takes himself way too seriously. Like, he's literally wearing a suit for a video. I don't even know. Right, anyway, I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it turned out well. Smash like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new today. And I'll be seeing you guys later. Goodbye.